today's videos, we're going to cook salmon, okra, and seasoning and spinach. And don't forget my big pan. Alright, let's prepare all things. Sorry, wala ko na ang mga onion, bawang, garlic. Sabi natin yung mga skin. And, hi guys, malinis naman yung hands ko. I wash my hands. So, let's put all together. So, isang pack. Ay guys, nakalimutan kanina. So, ito yung vinegar natin na gagamitin. Wala akong nakita na sina sa Philippines na vinegar, pero yan lang available. Meron tayong salt. Meron bay leaves. Ayan, so lalagyan natin na gusto kasi na something yung oil pala natin. So, huwag natin kalimutan yung oil para hindi siya mag-stick to our pans. Okay? Just 2 tablespoons at least. There you go. Natin siya ng 5 to 7 minutes. Then, let's get back in it. Sorry guys, I forgot. So, nilagay ko na pala yung after 5 to 7 minutes. Nilagay ko na yung okra and then the coconut melting. So, just let's simmer them around 2 to 3 minutes to para maluto yung mga mas maganda kung hindi mo shake. This is done. So now we're just going to add this spinach. Parang baby batcha siya. So I'm just going to add it on the top. Yeah, there you go. Almost. And then I'm just going to add some. So I open the lid. It smells so good. It smells so good, guys. So this time, ginamit ko yung spatula para hindi mabulit yung fish. So I just going to mix it up. Mix natin slightly lang. My gosh, hindi siya so guys. Ayan, so minix up ko na siya. So medyo matigas pa yung okra. So hintayin natin maluto siya until so tender na talaga. Okay? Ayan lang.